I'm attorney Neil Shouse, and my law firm represents victims of failed hernia mesh devices to file lawsuits across the United States. One question that I get all the time is, what is the statute of limitations? Or what is the deadline by which I have to file my hernia mesh lawsuit? The simple answer is that it varies by state, but most states impose a 2-year statute of limitations. Some states have a longer statute, and there are 3 states, Kentucky, Louisiana, and Tennessee, that have a shorter 1-year statute of limitations. Another question I often get is, what triggers the statute of limitations? Suppose, for example, that you're in California, which has a 2-year statute. That means that the deadline to file your lawsuit is 2 years. But 2 years from what? If you've had revision surgery, then most likely the statute will be 2 years from the date of the revision surgery. That means a lawsuit must be filed within 2 years of the surgery. If you're not having revision surgery, then the statute would most likely be 2 years from the onset of complications from the original hernia mesh implant. But there are 2 key takeaways that I want you to understand. First of all, do not try to figure out the statute of limitations by yourself. It's complicated, and you really need an attorney with experience in this area of the law to figure it out for you. Second, do not delay and do not wait. If you think you may have a hernia mesh claim, hire an attorney right away to work up your case and get the lawsuit filed. You do not want to miss out on the opportunity to get compensation for your injuries just because you missed the statute of limitations deadline. If you have more questions or you need help in this area, we invite you to call us 24 hours a day at the Shouse Law Group at 855 Law Firm.